students. Hope you all are safe and fine at your homes. You must have revised your unit 1, 2 and 3 that we have done before our summer break. Now we will start with our chapter 8, Basic Geometrical Concepts, that is on page number 135. Before starting my chapter, let us recall our previous knowledge. Do you remember point, line, ray and line segment? Let us recall them. First is point. Do you remember point, students? Yes, a point has an exact location. It has no length, no breadth and no height. That is, if I am marking here like this and writing here A, this is representing point A. How can I write it? Point A. Now line. Line is a straight path which extends endlessly in both directions. So it has no endpoints. Let us draw a line like this. It's a straight path which extends endlessly in both directions. Line can be drawn in this way also, like this. All these are straight paths. Don't think that I have drawn my line in this way. This is not straight. It's also a straight line. Okay, and after this we used to mark here like this and write here line AB. Similarly, I can write here as PQ, line PQ. Now ray. A ray has one endpoint and it extends endlessly in one direction. That is like this. It has one endpoint and extends in one direction. If I draw like this, again this is a ray. This is also representing a ray, and I can do like this also. All these that I have drawn are the examples of rays. And if I have to name it, how should I write? Like this. That is, this is ray OA. Fine. Similarly, you can name all these rays that I have drawn. Now, next is line segment. What is a line segment? A line segment is a portion of line. We have drawn line in our previous discussion. Now, if I am drawing two dots and joining these two, that is a portion of line which has two endpoints. And if I want to measure the length of this segment, I can measure easily. So the line segment has a definite length. In the same manner, I can draw my segment in this way also. Fine. Now, how to name the lines? There are two ways to name a line. First is by using single small letter of the alphabets such as L, M, N, etc. That is, I have drawn a line and written here L. It means this is representing line L. Okay, if I write here M, then it will be known as line M. Next is by using two capital letters such as AB, BC, AC, etc. For example, now it has become line AB. Clear? Now on the basis of this discussion, let us do our review exercise. First question on page number 135. Identify the following as ray, line or line segment. First, one endpoint, one side arrow. So what is this? Ray. You will write answers in your books only. Here they are given two dots, that is two endpoints. So this is a line segment. Next, both sides arrow. So it will be a line. In the same way, can you name all these? Now, next question. Give 3 examples of line segments from your environment. That is, the segments that you can measure. Can you measure the length of your pencil? Length of pencil. Can you measure the length of eraser? Your notebook? Fine. Now, next question. In the given figure, write the names of any 5 points and line segments. Now, here you will write line segments. Any 5 we have to write, and below we will write the name of points. First, line segments start from here. AB, then AE, then AD. What else I can take? DC, CG. I have to write the name of any 5 segments and I have done. Now points A, B, C, D, E, or you can say F, G, H also. I have written up to here. Similarly, you will do these B and C part yourself. Now, part number 4. How many line segments are there? Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many segments are there? 12. Similarly, count the segments of these two parts. Now part number 5. Name the lines in the given figure. First is line PQ. Then line R. Next, line L and line M. Line AD and line BC. Do it yourself. Now, this question you will do in your notebooks. Draw a line in your notebook. How will you do? With the scale, draw a line and name it by using single small letter. I have written here L. You can write here M, N, P, etc. any letter. Now taking 2 points on it. Once again, draw a line with the help of scale and mark 2 points like I have written here AB. Okay. Now our worksheet number review exercise is complete and it's your homework to complete review exercise on page 135 and 6 in book. Thank you.